How's it going, everybody? Today I need to perform a air leak test on a 3.3 Traxxas nitro engine, and this is the one I did a video on the TMaxx this past Saturday. But it wasn't performing very well. It was hard. For one thing, it was hard to start, and it was showing signs of air in the fuel line, and it acted like it was losing its prime. And that was part of the hard start issue there. And also it had like a different tone to the engine. The engine didn't normally sound like it normally does. So the way I normally check for air leaks is I bought me one of these baby bubbles at the fishing department in Walmart. Just hook it up to the pressure line that comes off the tank. And I haven't checked it with water or nothing yet, but I did hook the pump up and I did pressure it up. And normally when I've done this before, this throttle shaft would extend when I turn this pump on, but for some reason this one isn't doing it. So it must have a major leak, or this boot has gotten hard over time. Don't seem like it, but for some reason it's not pushing this arm out. But I'm going to go ahead and turn the pump on, and I'm going to check the tank to see if I find any leaks, and then I'll check the engine. I'm just using Dawn soap and water. Tank looks good. What's the matter, chicken? Well, I don't see anything, so starter shaft is sealing good. It is going to leak there, but they all going to leak right there. As long as everything else seems sealed on it. I don't see no air leaks around the carburetor anywhere. Low speed, high speed needles aren't leaking. Back plate's not leaking. It's not leaking around the cylinder head. We definitely got pressure in it because it's leaking out of there. Alright, well, I'm surprised. I was hoping to find something, so. I may do another video on inspecting the engine. I may inspect the cylinder sleeve on the on the 330. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope that helps.